In this activity, we are inspecting and servicing a precision stainless steel laboratory component used in a core flooding or fluid flow testing system. The assembly is carefully removed from the equipment for maintenance, inspection, and cleaning. The component is visually checked for signs of wear, corrosion, contamination, or mechanical damage. All internal passages and sealing surfaces are cleaned to remove any debris that could affect fluid flow or test accuracy. O-rings, fittings, and threaded connections are also inspected to ensure they remain in good condition and provide a leak-free seal. After the inspection and cleaning process, the component is reassembled according to the manufacturer's specifications. A final leak test and functional check are performed to verify proper operation before the assembly is returned to service. Regular preventive maintenance of precision laboratory components like this helps ensure accurate test results, reliable equipment performance, and extends the service life of the entire testing system. In this activity, we are performing preventive maintenance on a manual piston-type pump used in a laboratory testing system. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure reliable operation, accurate pressure generation, and a longer service life. The maintenance process begins by carefully disassembling the pump according to the manufacturer's recommended procedure. Each component is removed with care to prevent damage to the precision-machined parts. Next, the piston, cylinder, seals, O-rings, and threaded components are thoroughly inspected for signs of wear, scratches, corrosion, or contamination. Any damaged or worn parts should be replaced to maintain the pump's performance. All components are then cleaned using approved cleaning materials to remove dirt, old lubricant, and other contaminants that could affect smooth operation. The internal surfaces are carefully wiped and inspected before reassembly. After cleaning, the moving parts and seals are lubricated with the recommended lubricant to reduce friction and ensure smooth piston movement. The pump is then reassembled, making sure every component is correctly aligned and securely tightened according to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, a functional test is performed by operating the manual pump to verify smooth piston movement, stable pressure generation, and leak-free performance. Regular preventive maintenance helps improve equipment reliability, maintain testing accuracy, reduce unexpected downtime, and extend the overall service life of the manual piston-type pump. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more laboratory instrumentation, maintenance, and engineering tutorials.